what I'm looking for is a fair judgment and fair hearing and fair system. I'm looking for. I'm not the fair process. I'm not looking for sympathy from anywhere. What I'm looking for is fairness. Fairness. This is what I'm looking for. So I brought Atta here. Say, obetimi ababehwe. I'm the fairness. No, I'm not. Sometimes, anya there, you say I can't wabonting. No crowd, you may obi or crowd no person. Yes. What I say, until no quack to yes, Cadia Mobi say, the Emra dinner, no, na me but Ghana Mrano, a ye in idea. What you say, ye in idea. Until the me a fairness. When the law speaks, say, Mra ne Nemrana Casapa. Meaning say, I feel the Onyankopon Kabia will be immediate free. So it's the fairness that I'm fighting for. It's a fairness. Until meaning say you will attach your banner. I will have the fairness of the system of the law. Me what?
Yo, Yanaka for no quarry Jimmy Amawa Kwaba. Ati Chama Wontumi. Chairman Wontumi MPP Ashanti Regional Chairman. Baby Abasan Osei. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, then candidate Mahama, a potential jailbird candidate. Osei Mahama, potential jailbird candidates. And Chairman Wontumi say, all that he is crying for is fair judgments, fair hearing. That is the only thing that Chairman Wontumi is crying for. He says he is not demanding sympathy from the court. He is not demanding sympathy from Ghanaians. But all he is crying for that he should be given fair hearing, fair judgment, not sympathy. And that is the reason he is bringing in lawyer Samuel Atta, the Santa Clausian. He knows his competency. He knows his capability. Chairman Wontumi Rusu. Ose za ohwehwe aranye de obamanen. Atembua no korwom. Na emom onye humobo no no Chairman Wontumi repair. Na no kwanwe za yare kanye de mbibi abasen ko na Chairman Wontumi MPP Ashanti Regional Chairman Nurse John Dramani Mahama oyo mampinyi na mabe no ye candidate no ye Franka Tunyizima NDC amayo kwenen oso boko jail. Ose President Mahama then candidate Mahama boko jail wazin bo tufiazi. Oye the governor of Kumasi. Ansa na John Dramani Mahama boko Kumasi mpot ose de obaji permission ono omano kwan ansana wotumwamba. These were the things na Chairman Wontumi okakai. Kaide jumizari kani ya no kwar wiwin chumedi. Remember the show you're watching is the bitter truth. Truth is bitter, it must be told. Former President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo say, "Mama yanya bashaze for them mumyenyi timamofo. Kano kwa wiwi hu mayanya itimamofo." Say Chairman Wontumi.
Ebana saya yipa. Then we bring somebody suswa or also a captain. Or also so a war ahoden fufra or also so a day ba amia diako. New energy. And everybody know about Honorable Samuel Atta. Obiani di obetimaya the capability and the capacity in the law. You when you talk about Atta, you are talking about law. What I say in our Ghana has say, and we bring Atta say or no beba na what you may share the case air call any idea na on the baby emra e wono and a banner.
Also or the Atta the Abba replace lawyer and the appear could be why declare the intention there or no way for Chairman Wontumi some boy case no home case away I'm a judge what shada Odzine Atembu Babanenen. Aho enna Andy Apia Kubia Mbenyim Yojukaji Chairman Wontumi say the so-called self-acclaimed governor of Kumasi, the self-acclaimed president of Kumasi, Osei Mahama is a potential jail candidate. Noboko jail. Now he is bringing in lawyer Samuel Atta. That yes, when you talk about lawyers in this country, the law is Atta, and he is of the view there. Oh yes, Samuel Atta coming to take over the case, and he will seek justice, fair judgment for him. Now I believe that the sitting judge, the presiding judge, will not allow herself to be coerced or to extend this case because a new lawyer is taking over. Look, Ghana for in your bureau, Missy, delays in adjudication of cases in this country. I'm Ghana for Akasa Bebre, and Ghanaians of the view there, we have to fast track adjudication to some extent. A bit of a case in the courts by 10 years, 5 years, 10 years. Ana wonza samanen na inyinara your ho zema oye Ghana Atembu nanen ne da minti ya hwehwe mansachir aba ma judge nyamiadom oda samia messy na lawyer and the abia kubisi oda samne to America dodo.
You know, law is a professional job. It's for the professionals, and the Abia Kubi is is a profession. You know, it's a professional. What you say? Me menka sa minimum ra aye. And you know, and the Abia Kubi the profession also you will save his name and save his integrity. What you say? And he's disappointed. He's disappointed. This is the kind of words you know, law is a profession.
I say ne former counsel oil lawyer and the appear could be say upper there or preserve the image, the professional reputation. As a result of that in or can case no the unknown in the other oye Samuel Atta Zoroba na ojizi de ozenaba obahwe ma atensini edijuma ono chama Wontumi wenya atensini yadanyamiase. That is what every concerned litigant biara and some court will pray for, will expect there. As some will be zibo na atensini aba nafa. So say chama Wontumi praying for fair judgments, fair hearing. We don't have a problem. The bitter truth, this platform would like to place it on record. We are not against him. That is how the system should be. But what Ghanaians are expecting there, as someone on cuts in a court archer, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, ono na Ghana for one trema. Onenti yabada otembo fonasi. There, my men ozi asami ozimbero to nukwim. Nozimber so ziri juma. Also 3rd July in a judgment baba. We pray and hope that he will stick to that definite date. And remember, the show you're watching is the bitter truth. Kindly drop your views, comments in the comment section. Chairman Wontumi is crying that he is only demanding fair judgment, fair hearing, not sympathy from the courts. What is your view? And that is the reason he's bringing in lawyer Samuel Atta to replace lawyer Andy Apia Kubi, who has declared intention to withdraw his legal service from Samurai Boy case. We're citing the reason that the judge is speeding the adjudication. He has a lot of cases that he is handling as a lawyer for Wontumi, and the judge is not giving him a breathing space. This was his reason. He's citing manipulation, alleged manipulation, as reasons he's withdrawn his legal services for Wontumi Samurai Boy cases. Remember, the show you are watching is The Bitter Truth. If today is the first time that you are watching The Bitter Truth on Ghana Bad News YouTube channel or the Facebook, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and kindly feel free to share, feel free to drop your views and suggestions, opinion in the comment section. You are the reason we bring the show. The name of the show is The Bitter Truth. Truth is bitter, it must be told. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo made a clarion call that we should not be spectators but citizens. Join us to be citizens. Let's listen to Wontumi once more when he's crying for fair judgments.
Me, what I'm looking for is a fair judgment and fair hearing and fair system. I'm looking for. I'm not the fair process. I'm not looking for sympathy from anywhere. What I'm looking for is fairness. Fairness. This is what I'm looking for. So I brought Atta here. Say, obetimi ababehwe. I'm at the fairness. No, I'm an abba. Sometimes, I need the you see a cano of bonting. No crowd, you may obi or crowd no one. Yes. What I say, inti no quack to yes, Cadia Mobi say, the Emerald dinner. No, na me. But Ghana Mrano, a ye in idea. What you say, ye in idea. Until the meme share, a fairness. When the law speaks, say, Mrane, yeah, Namrana Casapa. Meaning say, I feel the Onyankopon Kabia will be media free. So it's the fairness that I'm fighting for. It's the fairness. And to the meaning say you will attach here, but I will have the fairness of the system of the law. Me what?
Yate, you are praying for fair judgments, fairness, not sympathy. So be it. That should be the prayer of every litigant whose case is in courts before the judge, before the court. So we pray and hope that the fair judgments that you are calling for will be given to you. When the judge give a judgment, you will not go out there to cry. If you cry, the Lord prescribe what to do. And once you are bringing a competent lawyer, Atta, whom you have so much confidence in, to work as a counsel for you to get the fair judgment in, so be it. Remember, the show you are watching is The Bitter Truth. Feel free to share this link to reach others and drop your suggestions, your comment, opinions in the comment section. It is The Bitter Truth. Thank you for watching the show. Thank you for using your data and time to watch the show. Let's hear from you. We say goodbye. So we come your way with another unadulterated, authentic, bitter